Good morning, viewers. So this is the 15 feet building that I was talking about. Let's take a view of this building. So in the entrance we have wooden ceiling with lights and with the safety gate. There's no fixed portion at the top. If there was a fixed portion at the top, then it would not look this good. So the gate is entirely open. So this is the entrance. So I'm just taking you to the entrance. And you can see the design of the main door here. This is the main door. From the entrance we are going into the foyer. So it's a small foyer. The foyer leads to the guest bedroom, which is at the ground floor. So there is an important OTS here. So this is the major source of light for the building. And one more important aspect of this OTS is that it provides lighting and ventilation to 3 other rooms. You can see the OTS is surrounded by 3 rooms. One is the toilet, where the ventilation is also done and the pipeline is also done. This is the hall, this is the foyer. So one OTS is giving light and ventilation to 3 rooms. This is an important factor here. From here we go on to the living room. Leads to the living area. So this is a big size living area for such a smaller width of the site. So you can see the living area here. Actually, we have planned this as So actually we have planned this as a living cum dining area. So what we have done here is that we have made the dining as a hydraulic dining so that it can be used so whenever it is required. This is a hydraulic dining, so we can just open it and close it as per the requirements. We just close it now. So otherwise it is going to be a big living space. So, from the living room, we are moving on to the interior staircase, and this is the way to the kitchen. We have planned a modular kitchen here. The important aspect of this kitchen is that it has a center cabinet, which is used as a private dining area, so that the hall always remains big. And the recipe for the hydraulic dining comes only when the guests come into play. Otherwise, this is fine for a breakfast counter, which also acts as a center cabinet. So it is exactly at the center of the kitchen, followed by the cabinets. Here staircase, which leads to the first floor. You can see we have used pure white tiles for the staircase. So this is a full body vitrified tile, where nothing can also be done. And for the wall, this is the highlight wall. We have used the black stone so that there would be a contrast. Entering the first floor, and this is the last flight of the staircase. So we have planned wooden partitions. So these partitions are just made with paint, and so that it is very cost effective. You can see the wooden ceiling also at the top. So that is also made of paint. So again, it is very cost effective. So this is the living area. It is exactly at the center of the building. So you can see the light coming from all directions from the headroom. So this is the headroom, and you can see windows on all sides. You can see a window here and even this side, and there's a door on that side. So maximum lighting is provided through these windows. And from here we enter to a kids' bedroom, followed by a balcony. So this is the first floor living area. The client wanted a 15-on scale of swing here, so we have made it standard. So this is the sofa, and we have planned the TV unit here.